There's little Ruby and Miss Beauty. Mr. Tucker's following me everywhere. He is. He's a handsome boy. And there's Mr. Blazer. Little Blazer boy. He says, I don't know I'm little. I think I'm a big bad fella. I have a beautiful collar. Yes, I do. So pretty. Tucker's a handsome boy too, Tucker is. Tucker's a handsome boy too. There's Sassy. Sassy girl. Sassy's got a pretty face. Yes, she does. Everybody got their ears braced up and they're so cute. They're so handsome. And little Ruby Land over there, she's going to her new mommy soon.